Hey, so what's this game called, Betty? Cubic Odyssey. And what can you say about it?
Fun and creative where you can let your mind create anything.
Okay, you can let your mind create anything you want. This, for example, is my tree house. Now, this is just the demo. The demo was available for free and is still available for free. And we rinsed it, we used it a lot. And we've completed the demo, and we're ready to start the full game. But before we start the full game, we thought we would show you what we've created in the demo, because there's a good chance that we will lose it when we start the full game, which will be a little bit sad. What's that? Oh, it's my little dude. He's my friend. Come on. QV1. QV1 stuck in the tree. What's the matter? I'll show you craft next. Goodbye. Goodbye. I know it. That's the little dude that helps you. So we spent about 2 weeks on this game, and we completed all of the activities for the demo. And I grew this tree accidentally right in the middle of our camp, and then I turned it into a tree house. But I'm worried. There we go. We're at the top. It's a beautiful game. You can't get past that. That is my ship, which I can use to exit the atmosphere. But as soon as I exit the atmosphere, then that's the end of everything I need to do in the demo level. At which point we will start a new game. So let's dive in for a little bit. Oops, what did I do? Oh, I used my scanner. Okay. Forgotten what to do first. Right. Now, it's an undeniable trick. I have to say, I'm not a Minecraft veteran, but my son is a bit of a fan. I do, however, quite like No Man's Sky, but the constant looking at menus and the like drove me crazy. So this is like No Man's Sky Lite. So if you like a bit of Minecraft, if you like a bit of No Man's Sky, then you might be a fan. I don't remember if there's full damage. There's very mild action elements. At night time it surprised us a little bit, but nothing too horrendous. way that we can get up in these trees. Ah, there we go. So this was our main base. That's a crate with stuff. Any stuff in there. You can see we've collected things that might be valuable, but along unique that we can't use that because we're just in the demo. So we just have that's a portal we created. I think it takes us. Looks weird as the portal take us to a nearby village. Let's go find out. Oh, it's a quick travel. So you can quick travel from portal to portal. All of this was stuff that we created, we put together. There we go. Of course, you've got your builder's bench, your workbench, armory bench, your crafting bench, stuff like that. The music is pretty damn fine to me. Oh, that's the people. Let's change the words. So this is, I can't remember how to crouch. I can't get out of here unless I crouch. My son made defenses in our house that I do not remember how to get it. Oh, yeah. My son might be fantastic. And as is typical when the sun goes down, the big bad. Oh, Chris, did you put a door here? Good door. This little dude, QB1, he shows you what you need to do at different times. It's another tree that I was messing around with. Came in and hollowed it out. There's some real, like, pixel Doom 3 vibes, but a lot prettier. As you can see, it's smooth as well. That's enough for me. I might let Felix come on and tell you about a few things.
What?
What is the game like about? What do you do in the game? What do you think about it? What are you doing right now? do you think about the dinosaurs?
I think it is a nice little world that you can let your mind float around. I like that there's lots of things to do. Sometimes the enemies catch up on you, see what you're doing, and then shoot you in the back. That's how I died the first time. I have done built. This is my base. It used to be just coal with wood on the ground, and then I built this so if I see the enemies outside, I can just crouch and get them.
What happened? We had the base looking really disappointing.
What? Sometimes there's meteors that come and visit.
Visit very quickly on the screen.
Sometimes it's nice. You can see what it's done. This I had to cover up because this is how much damage it is. My poor base.
But the meteor brought some aliens, didn't it?
What?
The meteor brought some aliens.
Oh.
We had to go and shoot them.
Brought some aliens?
Yeah, they came down upon Anyway, Vince, what are we planning to do?
We are planning to get the new game. The full game.
Which
means we might have to start all over again. But then you can do things differently. New starts aren't always bad.
So why don't you show us how that we start new game?
How we find the new game? Ah! Let me show you my micro. I'm looking for the stairs. That's my door to the stairs. My little floaty area. What we do? You're supposed to just leave the planet. That's not what I was supposed to do.
So as I said, we're planning on starting the full game, but I just wanted to show what we had created previously in the demo. Half my heart says I don't want to start all over again, but the other half of my heart says that it's good to do something brand new. There we go. So it's called Cubic Odyssey. This is just the beginning. We're going to play a lot more. We'll play a lot on the channel. If you're interested in joining us, please go along. It's a great game. As a father, I think 10 plus, I didn't see any activity that was really offensive. Sometimes there were some slight jump scares. There's a few dinosaurs around. There's a few bad guys that come out at night. But they're normally fairly easy to dispatch if you don't mind minor violence. Nothing too terrifying. Some funny looking aliens, but I don't remember seeing any zombie type figures. I don't think there's any online activity or online connectivity that could be abused by people, but we'll have to wait and see what it's like in the full game. I personally, as a dad, thoroughly enjoyed it, and my son and I were going past the controller hand over hand, doing a little bit, and we finished the demo in a few days, which was about 17 hours, I think. The demo is free on Steam. If anyone's interested in picking it up, it's worth a look. It's good fun. And maybe you'll see us playing some more. Thank you.